So let's unbox this 2-pack of Anker 333 USB-C to USB-C 100-watt charge cables. These are USB 2.0, and it says they'll fast charge many flagship laptops, tablets, and phones. And it says on the back here, a worry-free warranty. Let's pull these out. That's what they look like right there. Really nice braided kind of nylon finish on them. Really nice. These are the black ones. They come in a variety of different colors and lengths. These ones are 3.3 feet long. And it says they have a 12,000 bend lifespan, so they should hold up for a long time. One of the nicer cables I've seen. That feels really nice and strong. The ends there, they say Anker on them. USB-C, nice and thick. These feel really good quality. Feels like they'll hold up for a long time. And again, these are the USB-C to USB-C Anker 333 charge cables in the 100 watt.